Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Today we're going to look at a new product that I've used in the past, and I'm going to use it on my daughter's truck. I want to protect the bed. I want to protect it from rusting. It's called Upol Raptor Urethane Truck Bed Lining or something like that. And it comes in quarts that you can attach to your air compressor and just spray it on. It's a pretty easy do-it-yourself kit. So let's get right into the video. All right, well, I just purchased four bottles of the Raptor liner here, and you got 32 ounces of this. You put 8 ounces in each one of these. You shake it up, then you use this gun, put it on the air compressor, and then you have a nice rough bed liner coating. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a truck bed liner coating. I like it a lot. So you got to shake this up really good. Well, first of all, and then we're going to, I think the air compressor should be set to about 60 psi. Got these cute little measuring cups here, 8 fluid ounces. Eight ounces of hardener. Hey guys, before we put this bed liner on here, let me back the video up and I'll show you this rust seal that I put on as an underlayer coating. Alright, rust seal. This stuff is awesome. So I've got about, I don't know, half of this. I'm going to use it up. This is the worst part up here. I use this rust seal on the floorboards and it works really well. It goes on very thick. And I had a half a pint left and I just wanted to use it up before it went bad. You probably don't have to put this on as an underneath coating for this Raptor seal, but since I had it left over, I wanted to just go ahead and use it up. So that's what I'm doing here. This is not a sponsored product or anything, but I would highly recommend it if you're looking to seal up any rust in any of your vehicles. Alright, well that's about all the coverage I could get out of the half of a pint left. I've got another product I'm going to put on here. Let's let this dry first. Alright, let's try this. I can feel that I'm getting low, but I want to keep enough for 2 coats at least. Alright, we're out. Let's do one more can real quick. Alright, it's time for our second application. Second coat here. It's been about an hour. Got 2 bottles left. I'm just going to use everything up on this project. I forgot to hit the record button for the second bottle, so this is actually the third bottle. I have 4 total, so I used up all 4 bottles on this application. All right, last bottle. All right, we're all out. Clean this with acetone in here like this. Oh yeah. All right, here's the final look at it before I take the paper off. It's been sitting for about an hour. Well, this top here, on the side. This will all get painted with the body. We'll paint the body. That's where I wanted to separate it. So we'll paint this down to here. We'll paint this inside here. And I went ahead and painted this here. Even though I was thinking of originally painting this with the body, but that's not going to get seen much. That's going to be covered by the tailgate, so it doesn't really matter what that is. Turned out really well. This was the overspray from before, but it covered that up pretty well. I could have sanded that down to make it look better, but you're not going to see much of that in there. Alright, well, I think I'll close this video out. I think I'll save the paint job for the rest of the body in another video, but maybe I'll close this video out now. It's probably getting pretty long, so appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, this is like a month later, and this stuff holds up really well. It's kind of dirty in here, a little dusty. Let me see if I can give you some close-up shots here. But I really like this product. It looks really good on this truck, and most importantly, it's going to protect it, right? This stuff is hard. It's not going to chip, ding. Let me show you another application I did a couple of years ago on my truck here. I picked up this guard. It was rusty, and I sanded it down, and I put the same product on this, and it's held up really well. Every once in a while, you get a rock or something that hits this, and maybe it'll take a small chip out of it, but I can't seem to find anything right now. But look at this. It sticks to almost anything, hardens quickly, and this is not going to rust anymore. Yeah, there's a good up close shot of it, so you can see how you can get based on the gun, if you put it closer or farther away, you can get kind of a bigger or smoother look, what you're looking for here. I think I kept it maybe a foot or two out to kind of give it this texture here.